Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of technology and artificial intelligence. Today's video is another brilliant suggestion from Libby Widlack, a bright individual with a knack for asking thought-provoking questions. We're excited to dive into this topic and invite Libby's friends and all our viewers to share their comments and video suggestions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's embark on our journey to understand how to use AWS to build AI solutions. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a comprehensive cloud computing platform that provides many services to help businesses and developers create robust AI solutions. This video will explore the key components and steps involved in leveraging AWS for AI development, even if you're new to the field. First, let's define AI solutions. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. When discussing building AI solutions, we're referring to creating applications that can learn from data and make intelligent decisions or predictions. Now let's dive into how AWS can help you build these AI solutions. AWS offers services specifically designed for AI and machine learning tasks. We will cover the most important ones and explain how they can be used in your AI journey. Amazon SageMaker. At the heart of AWS's machine learning offerings is Amazon SageMaker. Think of SageMaker as your all-in-one AI workshop, providing all the tools you need to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly and efficiently. With SageMaker, you can prepare and process your data. Data preparation is crucial in machine learning, as the quality of your data directly impacts the performance of your models. SageMaker offers 3 tools for this. 1. SageMaker Data Wrangler. This visual interface allows you to import, analyze, prepare, and feature engineer your data without writing code. You can connect to various data sources, perform data quality checks, apply transformations, and generate visualizations to better understand your data. 2. SageMaker Processing. This feature allows you to run data processing workloads at scale. 2. You can use pre-built containers for standard data processing libraries or create custom containers for your specific needs. 3. SageMaker Feature Store. This centralized repository for storing, sharing, and managing features, input variables, for machine learning models helps ensure consistency of features across training and inference, reducing duplication of efforts. Choose from various built-in machine learning algorithms. SageMaker offers many built-in algorithms optimized for large-scale machine learning tasks. Train your models on robust, scalable infrastructure. SageMaker makes it easy to train your models at scale with managed training. SageMaker sets up and manages the training infrastructure. You specify the type and number of instances you want to use, and SageMaker handles the rest. Distributed training. SageMaker can automatically distribute the training across multiple machines for large models or datasets. Spot instance training. You can use EC2 spot instances for training to reduce costs. Experiments and debugger. SageMaker Experiments helps you organize and track your training jobs, while debugger allows you to monitor the internal state of your models during training. And AutoML. For those new to machine learning or looking to prototype solutions quickly, SageMaker Autopilot can automatically train and tune models for classification and regression tasks. Deploy your models to production with just a few clicks. Once you have a trained model, SageMaker simplifies the deployment process the following way. One-click deployment. Deploy your trained model to a production-ready inference endpoint with just a few clicks. Serverless inference. For workloads with intermittent or unpredictable traffic, automatically scale from 0 and only pay for the compute time you use. Multi-model endpoints. Deploy multiple models to the same endpoint, reducing costs for low-traffic workloads. Batch transform. Run inference on entire datasets for offline predictions. Elastic inference. Attach the right amount of GPU-powered inference acceleration to your deployment instances. And model monitor. Detect your production model's concept drift and data quality issues. AWS Lambda. While not specifically an AI service, AWS Lambda is crucial for building serverless AI applications. It allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. You can use Lambda to create functions that process data, trigger other AWS services, or respond to real-time events. For example, you could trigger a Lambda function whenever a new image is uploaded to an S3 bucket, AWS's storage service. This function could then use a pre-trained machine learning model to analyze the image and store the results. Amazon Rekognition. Rekognition is AWS's computer vision service. It can analyze images and videos to detect objects, faces, text, and activities. You don't need to be a computer vision expert to use Rekognition. It provides pre-trained models you can use out of the box. For instance, you could use Rekognition to build an application that automatically tags photos based on their content, or a security system that alerts you when it detects particular objects or activities in video footage. Amazon Lex. Lex is the technology behind Alexa, Amazon's virtual assistant. It allows you to build conversational interfaces using voice and text. With Lex, you can create chatbots and other conversational interfaces to understand natural language and respond appropriately. You could use Lex to build a customer service chatbot for your website or a voice-controlled interface for a smart home application. Amazon Comprehend. Comprehend is AWS's natural language processing (NLP) service. It can analyze text to extract key phrases, sentiments, and entities. This is particularly useful for applications that need to understand and process large amounts of text data. For example, you could use Comprehend to analyze customer reviews to understand sentiment, or automatically categorize and tag articles in a content management system. Amazon Translate. As the name suggests, Translate is a machine translation service that automatically converts text from one language to another. This can be incredibly useful for building multilingual applications or processing documents in different languages. Amazon Forecast. Forecast is a time series forecasting service. It uses machine learning to deliver highly accurate forecasts based on historical data. This could be used to predict product demand, resource needs, or financial performance. Now that we've covered some of the essential AWS services for AI, let's discuss how you might combine these to build an AI solution. Here's an example scenario. Imagine you're building an e-commerce platform that needs to process customer reviews in multiple languages, categorize products based on images, and forecast product demand. You could use Amazon Translate to translate reviews into a common language, Amazon Comprehend to analyze the sentiment of these reviews, Amazon Rekognition to automatically categorize product images, Amazon Forecast to predict future demand for products. These services could be orchestrated using AWS Lambda functions, with data stored in Amazon S3 buckets. You could then use Amazon SageMaker to train a custom machine learning model that combines all this data to make customer product recommendations. This is just one example of how AWS services can be combined to create a powerful AI solution. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and your project's specific needs. One significant advantage of using AWS for AI is scalability. AWS can automatically scale to meet your needs as your application grows and processes more data. You don't need to worry about managing servers or infrastructure. AWS handles everything for you. Another advantage is the integration between services. AWS services are designed to work seamlessly together, significantly speeding up development time and reducing complexity. However, while AWS provides powerful tools, building AI solutions requires careful planning and expertise. To make the most of these services, you'll need to understand the basics of machine learning and data science. AWS provides extensive documentation and tutorials to help you get started, and many online courses and resources are available to help you learn these skills. As you begin your journey into building AI solutions with AWS, here are a few tips to keep in mind. 1. Start small. Begin with a simple project to familiarize yourself with the services and how they work together. For example, you might build a simple image classification model using SageMaker and Rekognition. 2. Use pre-built models when possible. Many AWS AI services offer pre-trained models that save time and resources. This is especially useful when you're just starting or need to prototype a solution quickly. 3. Please pay attention to data quality. The performance of your AI models will only be as good as the data you use to train them. Invest time in data preparation and cleaning. 3. SageMaker Data Wrangler can be a great help in this process. 4. Monitor costs. While AWS can be cost-effective, monitoring your usage is essential to avoid unexpected bills. Set up AWS budgets to track and manage your spending. 5. Stay updated. AWS frequently releases new features and services. 5. Keep an eye on the AWS blog and documentation to stay up to date with the latest capabilities. Attending AWS events or webinars can also be a great way to learn about new features and best practices. 6. Leverage AWS support and community. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to use AWS support or engage with the AWS community forums. There's a wealth of knowledge and experience available. 7. Consider security and compliance. When building AI solutions, especially those that handle sensitive data, leverage AWS's security features and follow the best data protection and privacy practices. 8. Experiment with AutoML. If you're new to machine learning, try using SageMaker Autopilot to build and tune models automatically. This can be a great way to get started and benchmark your custom model's performance. 9. Use version control. Use version control systems to keep track of your model versions, datasets, and code. AWS Code Commit can be helpful, or you can integrate with external systems like GitHub. 10. Implement MLOps practices. As your AI projects grow, consider implementing MLOps, machine learning operations practices, to streamline your development and deployment processes. 10. SageMaker provides several features to support MLOps, such as SageMaker pipelines for building CI/CD pipelines for machine learning. In conclusion, AWS provides a robust and comprehensive suite of tools for building AI solutions. From data processing and model training with SageMaker to specialized services like Recognition and Lex, AWS offers everything you need to bring your AI ideas to life. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or just starting in AI, AWS has services that can help you build intelligent, scalable applications. The key to success with AWS is to start with a clear understanding of your problem, choose the right services for your needs, and then iterate and refine your solution over time. Building AI solutions is often an iterative process. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your results, and continually improve your models and applications. We hope this overview has given you a good starting point for exploring AI development with AWS. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. We'd love to hear about your experiences with AWS and AI in the comments below. Are there specific AWS services or AI topics you'd like us to cover in more depth? Your feedback helps us create content that's valuable to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.